what's up? It's Nicole, the founder and CEO of Xppose Media. We create 3D virtual tours. So we use Matterport 3D technology, and the Matterport camera that we use is brilliant. I love it. I love it so much. But the reason why I'm recording this video is I had some trouble figuring out how to create my own URLs to use the rich media capability in Matterport. And what I mean by that is, let me show you in one of my spaces. So the rich media is where in the actual Matterport video itself, you can edit the Mattertags and add a URL image. The image will pop up in the background with the details here, and it makes it really visually pleasing. Now, the issue was in the past I had used Google Drive to create a shareable link. Well, I discovered that Matterport does not operate that way, and so I started to use my website itself to create a hidden, basically a hidden page to house all the media that I use for this. So let me show you how to add an image URL to your Matterport rich media if it's something that you took yourself and want to include in your Matterport tour. So what I'm doing is I created a blog post that is incessantly unpublished. Actually, it's so right here it says it's public, but it's inaccessible from my visitors on my website. It's basically a hidden page, and I put all of the media that I want to include in the Matterport. I'm going to find a way to organize these in a much better way, but what I do is I save the image in the blog, I preview the changes, and they show up here on my website. Okay? So the page is going to refresh. When they show up on the website, then I can derive a URL from this respective image that I want to include. So say, for example, I want to include this bathtub. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the image, open image in new tab, and when it opens in a new tab, I have an exclusive URL, PNG URL for this image itself. I copy that, go back to my Mattertag, edit it, and select the media option, paste it in. When I apply it, Matterport is going to detect the media. It'll take a couple seconds to look up and refresh, and voila, it appears behind my Mattertag description. So now when I hover over it, I'm going to see the media pop up, and that is that. So I hope that is helpful for you. It took me a while to go through the Matterport tutorials and their help library, and I didn't find how to create my own. It's easy to include if you want to direct people to exterior photos or royalty-free images that are online, but I like to add the customization especially for the location that I'm using, and use images from that location. So that is how I solved that issue. If this was helpful at all, please feel free to subscribe. Please do, because I have tons of questions in my journey as an entrepreneur, and when I find the answer, I like to record them and share them on my YouTube channel to make sure that other people have access, because free access to information has been a lifesaver. So thank you so much for watching. Enjoy. Have a good day.